Hi, my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. So this is just one idea of many that I'll be sharing. What you can do with your website. We'll just go to the front end of this demo website and we can just see everything's pretty much set up as default, but you will notice this section just here. And what we've done is we created this widget where we can toggle between the search and the request a quote. And that's really useful because you're not then overpacking your hero section. And also, it's really important to make sure that this information is accessible on the page load as well, that the person isn't having to scroll down to get to what they need. And ideally, or ultimately, what they're looking for is when they go onto this website and what you're expecting them to do is either search or request a quote. I mean, that's really what you're trying to get them to do when they land on your page. So making sure that that's accessible from the page loading without them having to scroll down is really important. And you can see that this has been created. So this is a widget that we've created, a very basic widget. There's lots that you could do to this to enhance this and make this look really nice. One of the things that I would probably do is I'd probably squash up the form a little more, and maybe put it on a background in the similar way that searches. So I would squash that up a little bit more, but you can see we're using the same space. The member can just, or the visitor can just toggle between them, and they can either carry out a search on your website by selecting, in this case, a category and a subcategory, and then following through with a search. Or if they haven't got time to do that, or they just want to receive the quotes, they can request a quote and complete the form and then submit it. So really useful tool this is, and this is just on our demo website. But if it's something that you're interested in, you can reach out to us at membershipwebsites.net. Thanks for watching.